Hey there, aspiring mortgage professionals. Are you ready to kickstart your career as a licensed mortgage loan originator in the state of Washington? If you're ready to get the ball rolling but feel a bit unsure where to start, you've landed in the right spot. Today we're diving deep into everything you need to know to navigate the process smoothly and successfully in registry, also referred to as the NMLS. Once you've registered with the NMLS, you'll receive an individual NMLS ID number to carry with you throughout your career as a mortgage loan originator. This unique ID serves as your identifier for your Washington license and any other licenses that you pursue in other states. Next up, complete the required 22 hours of NMLS-approved pre-licensing education coursework. The Washington Department of Financial Institutions, also referred to as the DFI, mandates that the following topics be covered: 3 hours of federal law, 3 hours of ethics, 2 hours of non-traditional mortgage lending, 10 hours of electives, and 4 hours of Washington state-specific education. To complete this education, head on over to mymortgagetrainer.com to explore our course options. Please note that if you have already completed the Safe 20 course to license in a different state, you will only need to complete the 4 hours of Washington-specific education. Once you've wrapped up your pre-licensing education, it's time to start studying for the Safe Mortgage Loan Originator exam. This comprehensive test evaluates your understanding of core mortgage lending concepts. To obtain your MLO license, you'll need to pass the SAFE exam with a score of 75% or higher. The exam spans 190 minutes, costs $110, and consists of 120 questions. Schedule your exam through your NMLS account once you're feeling adequately prepared, because if you don't pass the exam on your first attempt, there's a 30-day waiting period for a retest. And if you're unsuccessful after 3 attempts, you'll need to wait an additional 6 months before being able to try again. Next, you must complete an FBI criminal background check and get fingerprinted. The background check can be initiated through your NMLS portal. You can also make your appointment to have your fingerprints taken through the NMLS portal. The current cost of both the background check and fingerprinting is $36.25. Additionally, you'll need to complete the credit report authorization process through the NMLS. Through your NMLS account, you will authorize the NMLS to obtain and make available to the Washington DFI an independent credit report authorization. Please note that you'll be responsible for the cost of the credit report check, and the current cost is $15. Once you've passed your test, done your background check and credit report check authorization, you're ready to submit your Washington Mortgage Loan Originator License application. To submit your application, head to your NMLS account to complete your individual form MU4 and pay your fees. Washington MLO applicants will pay the following fees: a $125 Washington license fee and $30 NMLS processing fee. While completing your MU4, you will be asked several disclosure questions. For any disclosure question that you answer yes to, you'll be required to provide additional explanation. An explanation is intended to provide regulators with any additional information necessary for the proper evaluation of a license application. After finding and being hired by an employer, that's either a mortgage broker or a mortgage lender, you can initiate the sponsorship process. For an active MLO license, you must grant your employer access so they can submit a sponsorship request. You grant them this access through your NMLS portal by clicking on the Filing tab, and then in the Form Filing home screen, click the Company Access link in the submenu and click the Add button for the company you wish to grant access to. Your Washington Loan Originator license will remain in approved inactive status until your employing sponsorship is verified with the NMLS. Once the sponsoring employer receives notice of the verification request, they can approve the sponsorship. Upon approval, applicants are officially licensed to do business in Washington. Please note that the Washington DFI allows for an approved inactive license status for individuals who have completed all requirements but are without sponsorship. Approved inactive status does not allow the individual to conduct activities requiring licensure under Washington law. Remember, My Mortgage Trainer is your ultimate destination for all Washington MLO pre-licensing education needs. We offer both the Safe 20 course and the 4-hour Washington state-specific course, complete with free test prep materials. We're here to guide you every step of the way to ensure your future career as a licensed MLO in Washington is nothing short of spectacular. Ready to dive in? Click the link below for more information on our education options, or call us directly at 317-566-0425. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. As a proud veteran-owned business, we're dedicated to serving you.